Welcome back. Out here doing it again. It is early spring. The bugs are starting to come out. It's warmer in the days. And I've only got a few more weeks left of hot tent season. I only leave this up during the cold months of like fall and winter, and when it gets too warm, bugs just take over this place. There's already spiders starting to make their way into the crevices, making their homes. And even when it's like 60 degrees outside, the inside of the tent, it gets uncomfortable hot. So yeah, I'm taking advantage of cold weather. So this might be the last hot tent video that I do. Got some good food I want to cook. I'm gonna make chicken stroganoff. Trying to stay away from red meat and pork. Not completely giving it up, but just trying to limit it as much as possible. So yeah, I'm a chicken man. Yeah, and I'm excited about chicken stroganoff. I've never made it, but I'm confident it's going to come out good. Excited to be chilling with you guys again. I still haven't even posted my first video, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to edit it one more time, and then I'm going to load her up. I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and yeah, I'm excited to see where this takes me and you guys. So yeah, probably take y'all on a walk, show y'all the downed trees that happened during Hurricane Helene. Like I said in the last video, I'm in Western North Carolina. I'm like 30 minutes south of Asheville. And we got hit very hard by Hurricane Helene, and it's been one of the most wild experiences that I've ever been through. Yeah, so let's go on a walk and I'll show you the downed trees. So there's the tent. There's the deck. I built a deck for the tent. I literally bought a tent and I had to build a deck for it because it's so massive. And my property is on a hill. But yeah, just to show you how close the trees are to where my situation is set up, I'll show you guys. So yeah, as you can see, pretty massive. It's just took the whole root system. She toppled over. Didn't even break. These trees are strong. Just twisted up and fell over. Here's number 2. Just literally dug a hole into the ground from where it did that. Wild stuff. Mother Nature is wild. And speaking of Mother Nature, I'm on the outlook for snakes because they come out this time of year. Yeah, huge tree. There's a bunch down there. There's 2 right there. This one. Pretty sure that tree fell and hit this one and then pulled it down. Yeah. Stuff's whack. Oh, hello. Found some rocks. Constantly finding really cool rocks every time I walk through the woods. And I collect them and I make a fire pit. I'm not going to show you all my fire pit. Haven't used it since last summer. And I need to clean it out. I've been putting all my ashes from my wood stove, and it's not very presentable right now, so next time I'm here I'll do a video of me cleaning it out. But yeah, anyway. Let's split some wood, boys. Really need to get a better base for splitting stuff, but just making do with what I got. Watch out! Uh-oh. Lord. Dang, that sucker. Or she don't want to come. She don't want to bust on me. Oh, watch out. Split it. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. Yow! Bet this one will split first. Try. There it is. Lord, that about came back and hit me in the face. Pretty sure this is hickory wood. Yeah. All right. It's a done job. And we have wood. This is a dogwood. It is the North Carolina state tree or flower. No, I think it's a state flower, but this is the tree version, but there's flowers. That was sort of a bad story. So it's a tall tree, and you can, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but flowers are beautiful. Beautiful tree. There's another one down here I'll take y'all to. Such a beautiful flower. Lord, ain't that something? Chilling with the dogwoods. Dogwood. Doggy, doggy, dogwood, yeah. Lord, ain't that pretty? That's just something right there. That is just something. Oh, hey there. So much beauty. So much purty. I just can't help myself. I hope this doesn't make me all sneezy. Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, hi there. I love how all these YouTube camping videos, they do so much walking. They're hiking, but they're also like double walking the amount, because they're like running off, setting the camera down, and then running back, and then hiking, and they're doing it with their freaking backpacks on. That's silly. I'm not doing that. Maybe I probably will eventually do that, just for filming's sake. It's getting cold, and I need to split some kindling, so let's do that. I love this hatchet. It's some type of Japanese like wood hatchet. Like, it's really thick on the dull side, and it's made to, like, like if you cut a tree down to take the limbs off to like make a pole or whatever. But yeah, it's literally designed. I need a better, whoops. So that's not the way I wanted to do that at all. I need to rethink what I'm doing. But that's good. I need a heavier. Here, let's try this. Let's try this old thing right here. Perfect. Perfect again. Very nice. Very good. I could be a little safer, but I'm making it happen. Alright, it's time for a fire. Let's get something like that. It's good to have some bigger pieces underneath it for the embers to fall onto. Got me some tumbleweeds and some fat wood. Really enjoy these tumbleweeds. Yeah, ASMR, bro. So put that. So I'm gonna put that on. Going to put this on the very bottom, and then got some twigs here. Put right there. We'll put one piece of fat wood in the mix of that as well, just to ensure success. And then got my pile of kindling that I burned. I mean, I didn't burn it. I'm about to burn it. That I cut. Alright, so check out how easy this is. Get the fat wood going. And then there's the tumbleweed. And that's it. And I'm going to use this for my starter, so I'm not going to burn that. Open our damper. And then when we shut this door, open the damper on that, it just vacuums and helps the fire start even more. So you can even have wet stuff in there, and with the vacuum it'll just dry it out. I mean, like small wet stuff, but yeah. And buddy, she's ripping. Some of these bigger ones in here. This will burn pretty fast because I'm going to leave the damper open the whole time. Just want to get a good coal base for cooking later. into it. Hello. Let's see what we got in this old ice chest over here. It may or may not be beer 30. Alright. Got some bouillon, better than bouillon. Ooh. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. I like to blow that ice out of the way. Oh. Cheers, boys. It's good. It's getting chilly out here. The fire is ripping. I'm about to close the door down and just start chilling. I think I'm gonna play some guitar. Might watch some Joe Rogan. Judge me, I don't care. I like watching Joe Rogan, especially with like all the wild like scientists and UFO people. But yeah, who cares? It's okay to like Joe Rogan. So yeah, just because you like Joe Rogan doesn't mean you subscribe to everything that he believes in. There's nothing wrong with that. Think for yourself. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Dinner is going to be delicious. Like I said, chicken stroganoff. Got some really good egg noodles. I've got some chicken thighs. I'm going to sear them in my Dutch oven that you see right over here on the porch. Right here. Yeah. I'm going to sear the chicken thighs, and I'm going to braise them in chicken stock and other goodies. I just really like slow cooking things for some reason. You get in your mid-30s and you just want to slow cook stuff. It's time to start prepping for dinner. I'm going to season the chicken and let that dry brine for a little while before I sear it. It'll get a really nice sear that way. And I'm going to cut my veggies up. I'm going to cut my onions first just to save on cleaning dishes. And if I use my knife on the chicken, I'll need to wash it, and I messed up and I didn't bring anything to wipe it down with or really wash it. I've got several knives, but I like these little paring knives. This is a GSI kit that I bought. It's just 3 knives and this cool little cutting board. It's a good time. Let's dice some onions. So let's cut this thing down. Actually, we'll just cut it in half. So the onions, I'm going to sear the chicken, and then I'm going to deglaze the pan with the onion. That's just how you ought to do it. So much flavor gets stuck on the bottom of a pan, and onions and liquid will pull that those seasonings back up, and that's how you make things happen. Forgive my knife skills. I'm sure that I could be pretty awesome, and maybe I'm undershooting myself, or whatever that term is, but I mean, my knife skills are alright, but they could be a lot better. So put these onions on the tin foil. Is it tin foil? Is it aluminum foil? I don't think anyone will ever know. I normally bring gloves for stuff like this, but I don't have any. Just crunch them up. That's the best way, just to give it a crunch. Actually, we're going to throw this back in with the onions. Let's get our chicken thighs out. Cut this plastic off. So I don't have gloves. It's actually 3 chicken thighs. Yeah, I'm trying to not touch this. Yuck. Alrighty then. Let's season these bad boys up. I'm going to do a bit of a dry brine, and this is going to be braising, so extra salt will not hurt it. Obviously, you don't want to cake it on there like crazy, but put a good amount on there. A little bit of black pepper. Yes, we like that black pepper. Yes. A little bit of garlic powder. Shunk. And we got some Sprinkle 24 herbs and spices by Bragg. Organic. So you know it's good. You really can't taste the organic in this. Smells awesome. And I maybe should have put some olive oil on there to make it pat. I'm just gonna do this. I've got some water, I can wash my hands. Just don't have anything to dry them off with. And see, I messed up on that. But we can do that like that. Just doing this, it helps season all the parts on there. I'll probably go back over top of it one more time with that other thing. I need to wash my hands now. Charcuterie. So, we've got our chicken all seasoned up and ready to rock and roll. We're going to let it sit out for about 30 minutes. Let all these spices absorb. I want to cover it up like so. It's not hot out here at all, so I'm just going to let this chill right here. And I'm just going to go back into the tent right here and chill. It is cold out here, and yeah, let's go get cozy. Oh, I need to turn my lights on. There we go. It is so warm in here. Let's check the fire out. Yep, time for some more wood. Got some really good coals in there, so I can put some really thick pieces of wood on there to put one of those in there. Right there to the right. Put those down, and then put a wet one on the top there, and it'll dry out while those other ones cook. Alright, let's throw this Dutch oven on here. Uh-oh. Don't want to keep that in there. Got some pepperadelle egg pasta. So I've got my olive oil heating up. I've got this little wellness shot thing, and the plastic container was perfect, so I repurposed it to use for olive oil and any type of oils. It comes out, works great. I love it. All right, got the fire is ripping. Had to open all the damps up. This chicken already smells good. It's not even cooked yet. Right there. That's what we want to hear. Uh-oh. Nope, I thought I took some tinfoil in with it. There we go, just going to let that sear off. Show y'all better. Yummers. My favorite time is when you flip them. Oh yeah. That's what you want right there, boys. I'll put these over here. And then now I'm going to hold my camera with my other arm. Now I'm going to deglaze all that goodness. See all them bits and bobs down there? We're going to deglaze her. First I need to get rid of some of this oil. Put too much olive oil in there. Got our onions and our garlic. Let those sweat off, and then we'll add some chicken broth and put these bad boys back in there. Yummers. The onions have got where they need to be. Now I'm going to add the chicken back in there. It smells wild. It smells so good. Put a garlic in the middle. So, I'm going to add I'm adding chicken broth, but I'm also going to do some bouillon as well, better than bouillon. It just adds an extra depth. And it's also got some salt in it, so add some saltiness in there. Stuff is so good. Just something like that. Maybe like that. We'll just leave that in there and wash it off with the water broth. Chicken broth. Give her a shake. Make sure the date's good. The date is good. So you don't want to drown the chicken, but you want to bring the broth up to like halfway, something like that. And I actually forgot to do something. Uh-oh. I forgot to deflower in it. Uh-oh. So, I forgot to add flour. So my idea is I'm not going to put it in there. I've seen many recipes where you don't really have to do that. Sour cream's going to go in it, and I also have some shredded Parmesan, and I'm pretty sure putting the shredded Parmesan into it will thicken it up nicely, and I'm just going to roll with it. I think we'll be okay though. She's simmering nicely. Forgot to put in some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce? Yeah, I call it Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire? Worcestershire sauce. Unwrap the flavor. Yeah. This is important. And that's all we're going to do. Alright. Anyway, yeah. Let's go to a funny name. Worcestershire. Shire sauce. Yeah, a lot of people call it W sauce. I may or may not be a drummer. Let's check it out. I was serious. Let's check it out. Ooh, Lord, that's spicy. All right. It is bubbling. I am super stoked. The only thing I really need to do to this is I'm going to add sour cream. I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese. And those two things together will thicken it up nicely. And then I'm going to boil some egg noodles. And then I'm also going to cook some asparagus. I need to get that going. So, yeah, let's make it happen. I'm curious about the ASMR situation that's happening right now. The wood stove's making noises. The Dutch oven is making noises. The wilderness is making noises. My chair is making noises. The way to prepare asparagus, you want to split it. You just pull it in half. So it breaks towards the bottom half. So this part is super fibrous. It is still edible. It's just a lot of people prefer to not eat it. This is where all the money is. So several of them at a time, and just break them open like that. Like that. And we are going to eat some asparagus. Right there. Let's pour some olive oil. Something like that, and that's the last of it. I got it in a Ziploc bag to keep things from... Oh, that garlic's making me... The black pepper. Oh, crap. I breathed it in. So, I'm just bunching this up like this. Like a little tenfold dinner, you know? Like they talk to you about in the Boy Scouts. A little tenfold dinner right there, man. Yeah. I'm just going to throw it straight on top of the... Just going to throw it straight on there. Right there. Now we're rocking and rolling. Alright, let's give this chicken a check. Woo! looking pretty awesome. We're going to add some sour cream to it and some Parmesan. I guess the cream from this is going to thicken it up. This is sort of like a chicken fricassee situation, just with, and when I make chicken fricassee, I actually add Parmesan to it too, but might as well just add all the sour cream. Lord, this is going to be good. So I'm going to throw this away. And then we got some grated Parmesan. Just give her a stir. I forgot to mention that it's also a full moon. This camera is probably doing a horrible job at picking it up, but that's that tiny little dot in the middle of the sky. It's a full moon, bub. And then there's the hot tent. I'm a big fan of Christmas lights, so I leave Christmas lights up around here year round. We are slowly starting to boil. I'm going to go ahead and throw some noodle doodles in here. Pepperodelli egg pasta. The noodles got a little wild and I had to pull them over here. A pepperoncini, tillatini. A pepperolinatini. Pepperodelli. Oh, I'm excited about this. Getting it in. Alright, we are ready to eat. I realized while looking at this over time that I could still add the flour, and I did that, and the flour can still cook while while it's simmering or whatever, but it's definitely preferred to put the flour in with the onions before you put any liquids in, and then you deglaze it that way. And I added some chopped parsley, and it is at perfect consistency. It's a nice gravy. The chicken thighs are shredding. Got some asparagus, and we got our egg noodles. Alright, let's make us a plate. Here it is. The asparagus is definitely overcooked, but we'll deal with it. These noodles are out of control. I actually dipped these noodles, all of the noodles, into the Dutch oven where all that gravy was, so it sops it up. Buddy. The chicken, just shredded. So much flavor. That Bragg's 23 seasoning comes through pretty well on that. It's good. That's living. right then. I've I have devoured dinner, and it's time for me to hit the hay, as they say. Oh man. Yeah. Had a good time with you guys. Let's do it again. Oh. Phew. I'm gonna sleep good, I can already tell. I don't have any breakfast to cook in the morning, so it's just going to be a really chill morning, so there's not going to be much to film, but I'll check in with you guys in the morning. Thank you for chilling with me. I've had a good time. And, yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. The birds are at it. Chirping away. It's chilly. It is chilly. It could be more chilly. I don't keep the fire going through the night. I've got a really good sleeping bag. It's rated to 0 degrees. It's a down sleeping bag. I like it. Yeah, I don't have any breakfast, but good. Let's build a fire and just have a nice morning. Yeah. Cool. Let's get at it. Bedhead. Put a nice base down. Got some fat wood. Fat wood is the way to go.
Oh, that's cool. It's making little rings. Smoke rings. Just as simple as that. Wish I had some breakfast to cook for you guys, but I don't have it. There we go.
I need some caffeine. Cheers. Yerba mate. I love this stuff. Nice. Yep, it's already nice and warm in here. Fire's ripping. I'm just gonna chill out and have a relaxing morning. Alright guys, I haven't done a lot of filming this morning. Just been having a nice easy morning. Eventually I'll cook some breakfast for you guys. Beautiful weekend. It's nice and warm out here today. Like I said, it's early spring, and last night might have been the last hot tent adventure for the season. Yeah, looking forward to summer. Gonna take you guys to a lot of waterfalls, do some underwater adventuring. I'm a free diver, and I like to film and take pictures of fish that are in the area. And swimming in cold water specifically is very healing, and the healing from free diving with breath holding is also very healing, and eventually y'all will hear me nerd out on that, but not today. Got a Bahamas trip coming up mid to late May. Super excited about that. I'm going to Dean's Blue Hole, going to do some free diving, do some training. Just training for personal growth, nothing specific. I just want to be in some clear, deep blue water and see what I can make happen. But yeah, it's been a good weekend. I appreciate you guys. Definitely feel less lonely filming and talking to you guys. I struggle with depression and being alone, and just finding where I fit in to this world. Yes, so I'm gonna take you guys on that journey with me. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you next time.